Hey, fitness fam! Welcome back to Fit Ripped Body. Today, we're tackling a common issue in the world of fitness: why your muscles may not be growing despite all your hard work. But fret not, because we're not just going to talk about the problems, we're going to show you how to fix them. Alright, so you've been grinding it out in the gym, sweating buckets, and pushing your limits, but those gains you've been dreaming of just don't seem to show up. Let's get to the bottom of this and explore some common roadblocks to muscle growth and, more importantly, how to overcome them. First things first, let's talk nutrition. Are you eating right? Building muscle demands proper nourishment. Protein, carbs, and fats are your friends. Make sure you're consuming enough protein to support muscle repair and growth. A balanced diet with the right macronutrients is crucial. Are you progressively overloading your muscles? This is essential for muscle growth. If you're not challenging yourself with heavier weights, more reps, or more intense workouts over time, your muscles won't have a reason to grow. Keep a workout journal and aim to progress regularly. Are you giving your muscles the downtime they need? Overtraining can be a buzzkill for muscle growth. Muscles grow during rest, so ensure you're getting sufficient sleep and allowing your muscles at least 48 to 72 hours of recovery between workouts targeting the same muscle group. How consistent are you? Results don't happen overnight. Stay committed to your workout plan. Consistency is key for muscle growth. Track your progress, and remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Form matters, folks. Performing exercises with improper form can limit muscle engagement and increase the risk of injury. Focus on nailing your technique. Consider working with a trainer or watching instructional videos. Sleep is your body's secret weapon. It's when muscle recovery and growth happen. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Don't skimp on this one. Are you stuck in a workout rut? Your muscles can adapt to the same exercises over time. Keep things fresh by incorporating new exercises or variations into your routine to keep those muscles guessing. Enjoying the video so far? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our exciting fitness content. Now, let's dive into the roadblocks that can hinder your muscle growth when you work out and prevent you from seeing results and how to fix it. Number 1. Training too much. Overtraining can lead to muscle catabolism, where your body starts breaking down muscle tissue for energy. This can result in muscle loss and decreased muscle mass. Overtraining increases the risk of injuries such as muscle strains, joint problems, tendinitis, and stress fractures. Fatigued muscles and connective tissues are more prone to breakdown. Overtraining can disrupt hormonal balance, leading to elevated cortisol, a stress hormone, levels and reduced production of testosterone and growth hormone. This hormonal imbalance can negatively impact muscle growth and overall health. Schedule regular rest days into your workout routine. These days allow your muscles and central nervous system to recover fully. Active recovery, such as light walks or yoga, can be beneficial on rest days. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you're consistently fatigued, sore, or experiencing pain, it may be a sign that you need more recovery time. Adjust your training accordingly. Create a well-structured workout plan that includes a balanced mix of strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and flexibility work. Avoid excessive volume and intensity. Number 2. Using improper execution. Poor execution can lead to inefficient muscle engagement, meaning that you're not effectively targeting the muscles you intend to work. This can limit muscle growth and progress. Incorrect form can lead to imbalanced muscle development. Some muscles may become overactive while others remain underactive, causing asymmetry in your physique. Before attempting any exercise, learn and understand the correct form and technique. Seek guidance from certified trainers, instructional videos, or workout programs. Train in front of a mirror or record your workouts. This visual feedback can help you spot any form issues and make corrections. Number 3. Neglecting your nutrition. Inadequate nutrition can result in low energy levels, which can affect the intensity and quality of your workouts. Insufficient energy can lead to fatigue and reduced training performance. Poor nutrition can lead to nutrient deficiencies that impact overall health and muscle function. For example, deficiencies in vitamins and minerals can hinder muscle contraction and overall physical performance. Consume balanced meals that include a variety of macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Focus on whole foods such as lean meats, fish, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and nuts. Pay attention to meal timing. Consuming protein and carbohydrates around your workouts can aid in muscle recovery and energy levels. Number 4. Training until muscle soreness. Relying solely on training to muscle soreness may lead to plateaus in your progress. Eventually, your muscles adapt to this approach, and you may not see continued gains. Constantly training until muscle soreness without sufficient recovery can lead to overtraining. Overtraining can result in fatigue, decreased performance, and increased risk of injury. Not every workout needs to push you to muscle soreness. Vary your training intensity by including both challenging workouts and lighter, recovery-focused sessions. Incorporate periodization into your training program, which involves alternating between periods of higher intensity, including training to muscle soreness, and lower intensity phases to allow for recovery. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you're consistently sore or fatigued, it may be a sign that you need more rest and recovery. Before we continue, you clicking on the like button will be greatly appreciated. Number 5. Having a lopsided training program. A lopsided program typically means that you focus too much on certain muscle groups or exercises while neglecting others. A lopsided training program can lead to imbalanced muscle development, where some muscle groups become overdeveloped while others remain underdeveloped. This imbalance can affect your posture and overall physique. Prioritize compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Examples include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, pull-ups, and rows. These exercises should form the foundation of your workout routine. Number 6. Pushing through pain. Pain can significantly affect your workout performance by limiting your range of motion, strength, and overall function. Pushing through pain can lead to poor form and reduced muscle engagement. Pay close attention to your body's signals. If you experience pain that is sharp, shooting, or persists beyond the usual muscle burn or discomfort, stop the exercise and assess the situation. Number 7. Doing reps too quickly. When you perform reps too quickly, the time under tension, TUT, for your muscles is reduced. TUT is a critical factor in muscle growth. Insufficient TUT can limit the muscle stimulus needed for optimal gains. Incorporate a consistent tempo for each repetition. A common tempo is a 2-0-2 count, meaning you spend 2 seconds on the concentric, lifting, phase, no pause at the midpoint, and 2 seconds on the eccentric, lowering, phase of the movement. Number 8. Skimping on fluids. Dehydration can lead to a significant decrease in exercise performance. You may feel fatigued, experience muscle cramps, and struggle to lift weights or complete workouts at your best. Start hydrating before your workout. Aim to drink water or a sports drink with electrolytes about 1 to 2 hours before exercising to ensure you're adequately hydrated. Weigh yourself before and after workouts to estimate fluid losses. Aim to replace lost fluids at a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 pound of lost weight equals 16 fluid ounces of water. So there you have it, folks. If your muscles aren't growing, it's time to take a closer look at your nutrition, training intensity, recovery, consistency, form, and sleep habits. The good news is, with the right adjustments, you can kickstart your muscle growth journey. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Remember, everyone's body is different, so be patient with your progress. Keep pushing, and you'll reach your goals. Thanks for watching. These other 2 videos will definitely help you out to reach your fitness goals. We'll see you in the next video.